Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily. She was shy and didn't talk much, even though she had a big heart full of thoughts and dreams. Every day, Lily played quietly by herself, watching other children laugh and chat, but she never seemed to find the right words to join in. Her parents loved her dearly, but they began to worry. They didn't know what Lily was thinking or what made her happy. Does she have any friends? Does she feel lonely? They wondered. One evening, Lily overheard her parents talking. They sounded sad and concerned, and Lily felt a little upset.
I don't want to make them worried,
She thought. The next day, she decided to try something new. At school, instead of sitting alone, Lily gathered her courage and said hello to a group of children. Slowly, she started to make friends, sharing smiles and drawing pictures together. Each day, she found it easier to talk and laugh with them. Her parents were overjoyed when they saw Lily chatting with her new friends. They finally understood what she needed and how to help her. Lily learned that even though it was hard at first, sharing her thoughts and feelings made her world brighter. Moral of the story: sometimes, it takes a little courage to let others know what's inside. When you do, you'll find new ways to connect and grow.